Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bitcoin. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Bitcoin is the native assets of the Bitcoin ecosystem, a non-custodial digital asset trading platform launched by the Bitcoin team in 2025. The platform operates globally and reports holding a US money service business MSB registration. The BST token the BST token serves as the central element connecting trading functions, governance process, and ecosystem rewards mechanism. The Bitcoin platform uses a hybrid architecture that combines off-chain order matching with on-chain settlement. According to the project documentation, users remain control of their private keys, and the platform focus on providing trading infrastructure, settlement tools, and asset management modules rather than custodial services. BCT is the integrated across these components to support free payments, governance participation, and reward distribution. Bitcoin project audited by Ceritech. Bitcoin total supplies 333 million and circulating supplies also 333 million by BCT token. BCT token is listed on xt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances, up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.